Hello students, today we'll discuss question Qno.7 from the 2081 C programming question paper. This question asks us to display a series up to 25 terms, but there's a twist: we should not print the 7th term. The series looks like this: 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, ... We'll understand how this logic works and then go through the code step by step. Let's first understand the logic behind the series. We start with two variables. First equals 2, second equals 3. Now for each term. The first value increases by 1, the second value increases by 2. So, the terms become: first term gives 2 by 3, second term gives 3 by 5, third term gives 4 by 7, fourth term gives 5 by 9, and so on, up to the 25th term. Now, let's look at the program. Here's how it works. The for loop runs from 1 to 25. The if I equals 7 condition checks if the current term is the 7th one. If true, it skips printing that term using the continue statement. Each iteration prints the first x second format, and after each term, it prints a comma. The variables first and second are updated after every loop. Output: 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, 6 by 11, ... But notice, the 7th term is missing, just as the question required. So, to summarize, this program uses a for loop, an if condition, and a continue statement to skip the 7th term while printing the rest. It's a great example of using control statements and increment logic in C programming. That's how you can solve this 5-mark question easily.